We're often asked what has to be considered when processing our iglidur tribofilaments. And the short answer is it doesn't differ that much from standard technical materials, and you don't need any specialized equipment. Today I'll show you some simple steps that can be taken for easy processing of the materials, such as drying the material, preparing the printer, and choosing the right parameters. The first step will be to dry the material. Our filament is delivered in sealed vacuum bags, but still we recommend drying the material before each print job, also after it has been stored for a while. And for this, we are using a filament dryer such as this one, and we will use settings for PETG, which are suitable in this case. We recommend drying the material for 4 to 6 hours, and when material has too much moisture, it can be recognized by material oozing from the nozzle, rough surfaces due to over-extrusion, or stringing and residue on the finished parts. The next step is to load the material into the printer. And for this, we will also select standard PETG in this case, which is suitable for the i150, and we will select the exact parameters later in software. Next, we will prepare our print surface. We can clean it with soapy water or isopropyl alcohol to remove any fingerprints or other residue. And these PEI-coated magnetic sheets are very well suited for the iglidur i150. And for other surfaces, such as glass, we recommend our adhesion promoter for tribofilaments. It will promote adhesion when the build plate is hot, and it will allow for easy release of the part after the build plate has cooled down. For the correct parameters, we offer a detailed document with extensive information. This can be found in our web shop, and it can also be accessed by scanning the QR code on the spool. For very popular printers such as the Bambu Lab machine or Prusa printers, we also offer ready-made profiles that can be downloaded from our website, and this allows for easy and successful printing. And now all we have to do is start the print job and just monitor the first few layers to make sure everything is all right. And after the print job, after the build plate has cooled down, the part can usually be easily removed. And we can also do some post-processing, such as drilling holes, reaming bearing surfaces, or adding threaded inserts. And a successful print with iglidur i150 can be recognized by shiny, smooth surfaces without any over-extrusion and without any residue such as stringing or blobs on the part surface. And that's already it. If you follow these simple steps, printing of iglidur i150 will be very easy and your project will be successful. Thank you for your attention.